Hi, good afternoon. My name is R Hemalata. I'm from Bangalore. Last year in 2021 March, I have joined in Tiju's Academy for OET coaching. After starting due to COVID situations and my duty schedules, I was unable to follow the classes properly. Most of the classes, recorded classes only I've attended, but really I must be thankful to Tiju sir and Deepthi ma'am and all the crew members of Tiju's Academy, because recently I have completed my OET. I got B band in three modules. In one writing I got C plus. That is all happened because of God's grace and Tiju's Academy's tutors coaching only. So I would like to tell everyone that everyone must concentrate. The way sir is teaching really is too much dedicated towards his profession, and whatever he teaches is really awesome, and he wanted everyone to learn in a perfect way. Even Deepthi ma'am, she is also teaching very perfectly, wonderfully, and the way sir speak and the way sir motivates is really good. And I have also not studied in English medium. I have from regional Tamil medium. So really this OET classes, the basic grammar classes really helped me a lot. After attending basic grammar classes, surely whenever I was speaking in English, I used to think whether whatever I am speaking, am I using all the forms of verbs, whether this V1 is there, V1s is there, this ing form is there, V2, V3, everything. I was thinking about that. I must be thankful to each and every person, and mainly to Tiju sir. Thank you so much. It is only because of you and your faculty's help I could able to achieve this. Thanks a lot, sir.